Question says express the following as a sum or difference of two trigonometric ratios. As a sum of two trigonometric ratios or difference, or sum or difference of two trigonometric ratios. So the given question is in any of these forms. Identify which form it is to be. 2 sin A or 2 sin C. यहाँ पर और कुछ फॉर्मूले मैं तुमको बताना चाहूँगा. Just look at this. The same formula I can write the same formula as, let's see how, the same formula. पहले यहाँ पर जो पहला फॉर्मूला दिया है उस फॉर्मूले को लिखने का, what did I write C for? I write it as for sin of A plus B plus B is written as A minus B, isn't it?
Yes.
And that is equal to 2 sin A cos B. ऐसा आया था. And then we made the substitution, A is equal to C plus D by 2 and B is equal to C minus D by 2. Similarly, what is the second formula that I get there? This is equal to sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B is equal to 2 cos A sin B. Then what will be the third formula in the same way? Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B is equal to 2 cos A sin B. And what will be the fourth formula? Cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B is minus 2 sin A sin B.
Third cos B.
Yeah, cos A sin B. Okay. Now we have to identify here what is this going to be actually. ये अपने को identify करना पड़ेगा कि बाबा रे ये क्या है. I mean this is sin and always remember A will be the बड़ा angle and B will be the छोटा angle. So this is 90 degree. And this is pi by 3 is 60, 60 to the 120 degree. So clearly this is 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B is the first formula. Agree? 2 sin A cos B is the first formula. So this is clearly, according to the formula, this is equal to sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Now let me substitute here. Sin of A plus B, that is 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 2 plus sin of 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 2, that is equal to sin of 4 plus 3 7 pi by 6 plus sin of, correct? 4 pi minus 3 pi is pi, so pi by 6, and that is the answer. Please check whether this is clear. Question number 1 make a 4 now. 1 subpart 4. 2 cos 35 degree into cos 75 degree. Now we have seen this formula, but I want you to remember these formulas. Okay? Because they are derived from these only. So you have to remember this also. This also should go in the formula page. Okay, now check here. This is which forward it is. इसमें से कौन सा formula? So this is 2 cos A cos B. That is the third formula. 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos of A plus B
Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B.
plus cos of A minus B. Clear? Okay? So इसमें से बड़ा एंगल होगा A and छोटा एंगल होगा B. Agree?
Yes.
So just put it there. This is cos of 75 plus 35 plus cos of 75 minus 35. That is equal to cos of
Is equal to cos of
110
110 and 40.
plus cos of 40 degree. And that's the answer. Check. Again I have to make use of the same formula here. ये formula या फिर ये formula. So I would say, where is this one first? I would say this is C, D, C minus D, sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D. बोलो कैसे करेंगे? Let's see.
So formula substitution.
So should I write the formula first? 2 sin C or directly?
Then
Directly. चलो बताओ.
2
2
sin
sin
2x plus 2y upon
2x plus 2y upon 2 into cos 2x minus 2y upon 2 divided by sin C minus sin D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Agree? 2 cancel. And 2 common, 2 cancel, 2 common, 2 cancel, 2 common, 2 cancel, 2 common. So this is sine of x plus y. Agree? Into cos of x minus y upon cos of x plus y
plus y sin of x minus y
into sine of
x minus y.
x minus y. Now this is tan and this is also tan below.
Yeah.
So this is tan of x plus y
Upon tan of x minus
upon tan of x minus y, and that is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Easy. So I'll club this together. This is called as C and this is D. So sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So 2 sin 6x plus 4x by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, 6x minus 4x upon 2. Okay? Now look at this. ये जो minus है, for this sine of 2x, I like to use double angle formula, 2 sin x cos x. You will realize in a while why. Okay, now just simplify this. This is going to be 2 sine of 6x plus 4x, 10x. 10x by 2, 5x, sine 5x. Into cos 6x minus 4x, 2x. 2x by 2 is x. Minus 2 sine x cos x. I hope you realized it why I substituted, because now I can take 2 and cos x common. If I take this common, 2 and cos x if is taken common, this will become 2 cos x. Bracket के अंदर क्या बनेगा? This is cos x, sorry, sin 5x minus sin x. And once again, I use the formula sin C minus sin D. Second formula. So 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Agree?
Yes.
So this is going to be 2 cos x as it is, और इसका 2 cos of C plus D 5x plus x by 2 into sine of एक मिनट हाँ, sin C minus sin D 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus, okay, into sine of C minus D by 2 5x minus x upon 2. I hope this is clear. So that is 2 2s are 4 cos x into cos 5x plus x 6x by 2 3x into sin 5x minus x 4x by 2 is 2x. I think I have seen this somewhere. 4 cos x sin 2x sin 3x sin 2x
Sin 3x.
cos 3x.
Oh,
It has to be sin 2x cos 3x. Please look at this. Sin 2x cos 3x. Yeah, this is cos 3x. I made a mistake. No, that's correct. In the book also it is correct. I wrote it wrongly over there. So this is equal to RHS. Is this clear?
yes.
Any doubts? Okay. Please take the screenshot. So this is the LHS and this is the RHS. Well, let's see now. Now what I will do is I will club these two and these two. These two and these two. Okay? So how is this gonna be? Let's see. This will give me. That's why this is star. How to club it? So I'll say this is sine 5x. Sine 5x plus sine x. Take minus common. Sine 7x
3x.
plus sine 3x. It is plus because minus is out. Divided by. I'll write it as cos x minus cos 5x minus again minus taken common cos 3x minus cos 7x. Check here please. Minus plus. Now here one thing to be aware of is what is the formula here and here. It is sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay? And there are three formats of cos c minus cos d. Can you tell me all the three formats? Cos c minus cos d? Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. और ये माइनस अंतर भेज दो. So it is 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. और एक है जिसमें लेकिन मुझे इसका ऑर्डर रिवर्स करना. cos d minus cos c is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. ओके. अब इसमें अगर मैं देखूं तो c minus d का मतलब है c बड़ा एंगल d छोटा एंगल. C बड़ा एंगल D छोटा एंगल. तो C बड़ा एंगल है, बिगर एंगल बाद में आएगा, स्मॉलर एंगल पहले आएगा. सो दिस इज छोटा एंगल एंड बड़ा एंगल, छोटा एंगल एंड बड़ा एंगल. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? सो दिस इज cos D minus cos C. C बड़ा एंगल, D छोटा एंगल. नाउ रिमेम्बरिंग दिस, टेल मी ओवर हियर sin C plus sin D 2 sin 5x plus x 6x by 2
3x
into cos x cos of c minus d. 5x minus x 4x by 2, that is 2x. So this is 3x, this is 2x. Understood? Minus 2 c minus c plus d c minus 2 sin c plus d 7x plus 3x 10x by 2 x into cos c minus d 4x by 2 divided by cos d minus cos c 2 sin c plus d 5x plus x 6x by 2 3x into sin c minus d
5x minus 4x by 2x
minus 2 बराबर है क्या? sin c plus d
2x plus 5x
sin c minus d 7x minus 3x 4x by 2 is 2x. Now I think I can take something common here, you know, and what is that? Numerator say 2 cos 2x 2 cos 2x, denominator say 2 sin 2x 2 sin 2x common. So 2 cos 2x numerator say and 2 sin 2x denominator say common here. तो ब्रैकेट में क्या बचेगा? sin 3x minus sin 5x. क्या बचेगा डिनोमिनेटर में? b sin 3x minus sin 5x. Now I don't have to deal with anything at all. I'll just straight away simply cancel those two cancel.
Cot.
And this is cot 2x and that is equal to I. But no doubt, this is a star problem for sure. Is this okay? Alright?
Mm.